I'll be taking the valve core off and let the air come out. If you want to change the tire valve or TPMS sensor, first you have to break the tire bead. After we broke the tire bead, we have two ways to replace the valve. First way, come to the valve side, push this side down, then we'll have access to the valve. The other way, I'm gonna use this tool. This jack will help me to hold the tire down, then we'll have easy access to it. That's enough. Now I'm gonna lose the valve nut. After the nut is off, push the valve in, then we come out. I will put the new one.